In the last class, I mentioned you 18th point and in particular 18a. Okay. In last class we did it. We proved that cot theta minus tan theta is equals to 2 cot 2 theta. This is what we proved in the last class. At the end, I mentioned you 18a and we proved it using some simple formulas related to tan and cot and tan 2 theta. Right? I think you are all accepting it, right? So cot theta minus tan theta is 2 cot 2 theta. Using this particular logic, and now we need to prove this statement. Once you just have a look at 18b, cot theta minus tan theta minus 2 tan 2 theta minus 4 tan 4 theta and so on. If you continue like that, 2 power n tan of 2 power n theta. Yeah, this is what. Up to this if you go, then it is nothing but 2 power n plus 1 tan of 2 power n plus 1 theta. This summation on simplification, you will get it as 2 power n plus 1 times tan of 2 power n plus 1 theta. That's what we need to prove here. Okay? Yeah. Now you just have a look. To prove this 18b, we need to use 18a repeatedly. Okay? Yeah. See, first of all, in the next step, what I need to write is cot theta minus tan theta. We found it as 2 cot 2 theta. So you just replace it with 2 cot 2 theta minus 2 tan 2 theta minus 4 tan 4 theta minus, and so on, minus 2 power n tan of 2 power n theta. Is it right? Right. And now you just think about it. See, cot theta minus tan theta is what? See, cot theta minus tan theta is 2 cot 2 theta. Yeah. In the next step, what will happen? In the next step, you need to think about first two terms again. See, what you say about these first two terms? These first two terms, it is 2 times of cot 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. And that is 2 times of cot 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. It is again of this format with the 2 theta here. As I mentioned you in the previous class, we need to identify the format and we need to change the angle as per the format. Here theta and the result is 2 theta. But here 2 theta, so the result will be what? 2 times of 2 theta. It becomes 2 cot 4 theta. And 2 into 2 cot 4 theta will become like 4 cot 4 theta. Is it clear? Okay. So I need to change the question also actually. I wrote it as something mistake, right? So at the end I will change you. See, this is 2 power n plus 1 times cot of 2 power n plus 1 theta. I think so. We get it like that. Yeah. See, cot theta minus tan theta. One pair. It is 2 cot 2 theta. Okay? Yeah. Then 2 cot 2 theta minus 2 tan 2 theta. It is what? 2 will become 4. 2 theta will become 4 theta. And in the next step, if you look, see, this is 4 cot 4 theta. These two terms will become 4 cot 4 theta. And next what we have? Minus 4 tan 4 theta. And next what I have? Minus 8 tan 8 theta. Minus and so on, minus 2 power n times tan of 2 power n theta. That's the thing. And now, if you think about these two terms now, it becomes like 8 cot 8 theta. So, if you stop there at 4 theta, it results out 8 theta, 4 twos. If you stop at this 8 theta, it results out like 16 cot 16 theta. So, if you continue in such a manner, at the end here, what is that? 2 power n tan of 2 power n theta. So, the final result is this 2 power n plus 1 times cot of 2 power n plus 1 theta. Okay. See, this is what the proof actually. So, we need to observe step by step what will happen. If there is only up to theta, if up to theta, it is 2 cot 2 theta. Only up to theta to 2. Up to 2 theta, the result is 4 cot 4 theta. And up to 4 theta, if I have 8 cot 8 theta. And if I combine this up to 8 theta, the result is 16 cot 16 theta. And then 32 cot 32 theta. So always we need to move in such a manner. At the end, since the last term is 2 power n tan 2 power n theta, the final result will be 2 power n plus 1 cot of 2 power n plus 1 theta. Okay, so this is the thing, and we proved it just by using this statement repeatedly. Okay, just have a look, go for a screenshot. 18c, okay, tan pi by 7 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 7 plus 4 tan 4 pi by 7 plus 8 cot 8 pi by 7 is equals to tan theta. Okay, yeah. How to simplify this? You just think for a while, that's it. Using 18b, we need to prove this one, okay? Yeah, how? And if it is equals to tan theta, then we need to find sin 7 theta. Okay, right. Everybody, you need to think for a while and then I will give you the solution. That's what I am saying. Just you try to use 18b to simply prove that 18c. Okay? Yeah. I will write a statement from 18b. Okay? Just look there. Cot theta minus tan theta minus 2 tan 2 theta minus 4 tan 4 theta is equals to how much? Just use 18b and you just try to give this value first. Okay, so as I told you, if up to theta I use, the result is 2 cot 2 theta. If up to 2 theta I use, the result is 4 cot 4 theta. If up to 4 theta I use, the result is what? 4 to 8 cot 8 theta. Okay, this is the thing which we know it. Okay, and now see, this is very obvious from this 18b. If it is up to 2 power n, we take it as 2 power n plus 1. If it is up to 4, it is directly 8, right? Yeah, and now send these 3 terms that side. Okay, and this is equals to cot theta is equals to tan. See, if I send everything that side, minus tan theta will become plus tan theta, and then plus 2 tan 2 theta, and then plus 4 tan 4 theta. Yeah, already 8 cot theta is here, plus 8 cot 8 theta. Is it right? Just look there. Cot theta is, if I see, send these 3 terms that side, and it becomes like that. Now it is very clear. We need what? Tan pi by 7, like tan theta. 2 tan 2 pi by 7, like 2 tan 2 theta. 4 tan 4 pi by 7, like 4 tan 4 theta. 8 cot 8 pi by 7 plus 8 cot 8 theta. So if theta is equals to pi by 7, there ends our task, right? So you need to take theta is equals to pi by 7. If theta is equals to pi by 7, then what will happen? Okay, see, you just take theta is equals to pi by 7. Can I rewrite it like this for you? If you look there, if theta is equals to pi by 7, okay, yeah, cot pi by 7 is equals to tan pi by 7 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 7 plus 4 tan 4 pi by 7 plus 8 cot 8 pi by 7. How it happens? It happens just by taking theta is equals to pi by 7. Very obvious, right? And now if you look there, this tan pi by 7, tan 2 pi by 7, 4 tan 4 pi by 7, 8 cot 8 pi by 7, everything as given as tan theta. So cot pi by 7 is equals to tan theta. We need to find sin 7 theta. For that, first of all, we need to find theta. Yeah. See, now what I have in my hands, I will use this space here, okay? Cot pi by 7 is equals to tan theta. Right. Cot pi by 7 can be converted in terms of tan, or otherwise cot alpha is equals to tan beta if the sum of those two angles is 90. Okay, see, and now this is just pi by 7 plus theta is equals to pi by 2. So cot alpha is tan beta happens if alpha plus beta is 90. So pi by 7 plus theta is equals to pi by 2, and from there theta is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 7. Theta is pi by 2 minus pi by 7. Okay, and if you simplify it, see what will happen? 14 is the LCM, right? 2 sevens, 7 pi's, 7 pi minus pi is equals to 6 pi by 14. I think it is very clear. Okay, see, if tan alpha is cot beta, tan alpha plus beta is 90. We discussed it many times. Okay, with that logic, sum is pi by 2 and that theta is equals to 16 pi by 7, and now our answer is, see, they ask us to find sine 7 theta. Theta is 6 pi by 7, 14, replace here. See, sine of 7 into 6 pi by 14. How it becomes? 7 2's, 2 3's, and sine of 3 pi is what? 0. And at the end your answer is 0. Okay, you just have a look at this. Just have a look, okay, and go for a screenshot. Okay, see, we need to utilize 18b to show this problem. Okay, so at the end in the practice sheets or the exam papers, usually you will get these type of problems, and to answer problems like 18c you need to memorize 18b, and to prove 18b you need to identify a simple logics like 18a. Okay, everything is step by step development. Okay, see, practice and practice here. See, more practice, repeatedly solving different problems will give you will give some strength to your memory, as well as will give you much confidence in solving the problems. Now for this problem in particular, we have 18b and this is 18c. If you look there, I am using 18b, but up to 4 theta. See, up to 4 theta, the result is what? 8 cot 8 theta. Since the problem is involved in terms of pi by 7, you just replace theta with pi by 7. See, and on replacement theta with pi by 7, at the end this. The given value is tan theta as given, but I found it as cot pi by 7. So tan theta is cot pi by 7. From there we found that theta is equals to 6 pi by 14. Use that 6 pi by 14 here in the place of theta. Sine 3 pi 0 is your answer. Okay, see, initially these type of problems, the logics, how to utilize that 18a, 18b, 18c, see that practice is much needed initially. Okay, see, it is somewhat new for all of you, so maybe initially you may get little bit of confusion. On practice, automatically everything will be clear for you. Okay, just have a look. Yeah, it's a simple calculative mistake again. Okay, if you look there, see, pi by 7 plus theta is pi by 2, then theta is equals to 5 pi by 14, not that 6 pi by 14. Okay, so now this is equals to sine 7 theta, sine of 7 into 5 pi by 14, and on simplification it is equals to sine of 7 2's. Okay, and this is 5 pi by 2, and now 5 pi by 2 is what is the value? Sine 5 pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 90, 95 is 450. 450 is 360 plus 90. And after 360, more 90 we are running, sine 90 degrees is 1. So your answer is 1 for this problem, not 0. Okay, just I mentioned your mistake there, and if you correct it, your answer is 1 and not it is 0. Okay, just go through it. Yeah, just look there on the board. We have 19a. 1 plus secant 2 theta is equals to cot theta into tan 2 theta. Okay, see, as I mentioned you, this is 19a, a simple statement. Okay, using this we can generate a lengthy statement, and using that we are going to generate we are going to solve some problems also. Okay, that's what I mentioned you just try for a while. Look there, 1 plus secant 2 theta, you just write that secant 2 theta as 1 by cos 2 theta, that's good. And the next step, you just took LCM. 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta. So this is equals to cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 theta. Is it right? Just normal LCM, right? Cos 2 theta plus 1 by cos 2 theta. And now you just look there. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Yeah, 1 plus cos 2 theta. I have a chance to rewrite this 1 plus cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta. We have different formulas related to cos 2 theta actually. Okay, cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta is one idea. And if you rearrange it, you will get that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. And again you have another thing, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sin square theta. Just everybody, just have a look here. Cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. Okay, see we discussed with the proofs all these things in the previous points, and we did some problems also. Okay, and now see the second one we are going to utilize. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Okay, now this numerator is 2 cos square theta divided by cos 2 theta. Yeah, the next how to continue. Okay, see so trigonometry is completely a logical game. We have certain tools in our hands like formulas. To see, we need to use those formulas and we need to make something. Okay, we have to try to make up like that. Okay, see this 1 plus secant 2 theta is cot theta into tan 2 theta. Okay, if you think about this cot 2 theta into tan 2 theta, once again this cot theta is just nothing but cos theta by sin theta. I think you all know it, right? Cos theta into sin theta. And tan 2 theta is nothing but what? Sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Right? Tan is sin by cos and cot is cos by sin. So this product is nothing but this product. So we need to try, we have to try to make that product here. See 2 cos square theta by cos 2 theta. Look there. What I need more? See cos 2 theta is there in the denominator, happy, but there is no sin theta in the denominator. So you just multiply with sin theta and then divide with sin theta. So this is equals to 2 cos square theta divided by cos 2 theta into sin theta divided by sin theta. Yeah, that is equals to, now denominator is almost okay. Okay, see I need to reach this position. The denominator is almost okay. And now look about the numerator. In the numerator, along with cos theta, I need sin 2 theta. Here there are 2 cos, so you just separate 1 cos. Okay. See cos theta into, what is the remaining part? The remaining part is 2 sin theta cos theta, and it is divided by cos 2 theta into sin theta. And in the next step, this is cos theta divided by, you just write this sin theta here, no problem, right? Multiplication of fractions into 2 sin theta cos theta is the formula for sin 2 theta divided by, this is what? Cos 2 theta. And now this cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, and this sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is tan 2 theta. Just look there. See, it's a game actually. Okay, it just looks like a game. We need to convert, we need to reach to the position according to the requirement. As per the problem, 1 plus secant 2 theta is cot theta into tan 2 theta. This cot theta into tan 2 theta is just nothing but this product cos theta by sin theta into sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. So how to reach that? So first of all, see, the good idea is writing secant 2 theta as 1 by cos 2 theta, and then you just took LCM like this. See, we have a rule that 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and denominator is cos 2 theta. Now just have a break there and then think about the thing what we need to reach. See, here the denominator is the product of cos 2 theta along with sin theta. For that you just multiply and divide with sin theta. Now the denominator is balanced. Think about the numerator. In the numerator we need cos. So separate that cos and the remaining part. Now this remaining part is obviously sin 2 theta. There ends my discussion. Okay, just have a look there. Go with a screenshot. 1 plus secant 2 theta is cot theta into tan 2 theta. Just we proved it, okay? Now 1 plus secant 4 theta, what it happens? What it results? If it is 2 theta, this is theta, this is 2 theta, half and then full. If it is 4 theta, half is cot 2 theta, full is tan 4 theta. Is it right? Right. And in 1 plus secant 8 theta. 1 plus secant 8 theta means what will happen? Yeah, cot half of that. Cot 4 theta and full tan 8 theta. Is it right? Yeah, like that we need to continue. Okay. First suppose if I have only these three statements, if I multiply this, what will happen? 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta into 1 plus secant 8 theta is equals to this product. Okay, you need to multiply this. Yeah, for your sake I am writing here. Okay, actually, yeah, cot theta into tan 2 theta, first term, into second one. Second one is what? Cot 2 theta into tan 4 theta. Second one is over, right? And then third one. Third one is what? Cot 4 theta into tan 8 theta. See, the product of these three is that product. And now if you observe, see, this is what? Tan 2 theta into cot 2 theta. Angle is same. Tan into cot is always 1 because they are reciprocal to one another. Tan 4 theta into cot 4 theta. Angle is same and tan and cot are reciprocal to one another. Okay. So this product is 1 and this product is also 1. Then you left with what? Then at the end you left with cot theta into tan 8 theta. Okay, that's what you need to identify. Just I mentioned here for the three terms, and we can extend it for n terms also. Once look there, 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 4 theta, 1 plus secant 8 theta, it results out like cot theta is fixed, and depending upon this 8 theta, you will have here. If it is 8 theta, this is also 8 theta. If it is one more term like 1 plus 16 theta, here again you will get like a 1 plus 16 theta. Okay. So at the end, what I need to conclude is, yeah. See, therefore, you just take it as 19b, right? Therefore, we will conclude it like this. 1 plus secant theta into the product, okay? Because of the space concern, I am writing vertically. 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta into, like that if I continue, into 1 plus secant 2 power n theta. N times I am continuing. If I continue for n times, it results out like cot theta into tan of 2 power n theta. Okay. For n terms, you need to identify that. And here I mentioned you for 3 terms. So you need to think about it for 4 terms, for 5 terms, how it happens. Okay. And then if you continue for n terms, at the end for n terms, the result is this. The product of 1 plus secant, I need to start with 2 theta, right? Not with secant theta, okay? Just sorry, right? Yeah. So therefore, what we have this. We need to start with 2 theta, not with theta. 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 4 theta, 1 plus secant 8 theta, and then the last term is 1 plus secant of 2 power n theta, and its result is cot theta into tan of 2 power n theta. Just have a look and take a screenshot. So our target is to find 1 plus secant 20, 1 plus secant 40, 1 plus secant 80 as 19c. Now we need to use this 19b. Just look there, this is 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 4 theta, 1 plus secant 8 theta. If you compare the given thing with this, it directly suggesting you that take theta is equals to 10 degrees. Is it right? Yeah. If theta is equals to 10 degrees, then what is your answer? See, you need to take theta 10 here also. Then it becomes like what? Cot 10 degrees into tan 18 degrees. That's a good thing. And there is further simplification. You need to identify it, okay? Here 10 plus 18 is how much? 10 plus 18 is 90 degrees, right? Since 10 plus 18 is 90 degrees, Is there any chance to simplify? So try to simplify it. Cot 10 degrees into this tan 18, I will write it like this, tan of 90 minus 10. Yeah, tan of 90 minus 10 is how much? Tan of 90 minus is again cot, and it becomes like cot 10 degrees into cot 10 degrees, and your answer for this problem is cot square 10 degrees. Up to here it is okay, good, correct, but there is some other chance to simplify it to cot square 10 also. Okay, as per the options you need to choose that one. Okay, and now using this we find its value as like that cot square 10. Okay, just have a look now, and that's for today's class.